There was a time where I fasted for 40 days, 40 nights. Because I read that Jesus fasted for 40 days, 40 nights in Matthew 4. And Moses also fasted for 40 days and 40 nights. So I thought, let me do this. But the reason why I fasted for 40 days and 40 nights, it was because I wanted to see a financial breakthrough in my life. I was going through a lot. I had lost a lot. So I thought, you know what, maybe this fast will bring about change. And I did the 40 days and 40 nights. It was not easy. It was a challenge. I lost weight. Because I used to drink a lot of sugar, I did cut down, but then I found myself back again into having tea and sugar and sweet things. Just now I'm from church, they had cake and coffee, and there I was, going to town, as they say where I'm from, with the cake. But I realized that in that fast, I had a lot of dreams. A lot of dreaming started happening. Clear dreams, direction dreams, lesson dreams. But after the fast, I really didn't get the financial breakthrough that I was looking for. But what I realized was that I became more settled in who I was. I became more settled in my dreams. I became more settled in really working towards achieving what I wanted to achieve. I had direction after the fast. And another thing, after the fast, it was just maybe months after the fast, because I think I did the fast in 2022, 2023, I'm not quite sure. But after the fast, I launched South African Family and Relationship Institute, which is an organization that deals with family, it deals with relationships, it deals with marriages. So we launched that. And it was a success, really, considering that we were just starting out. And now we are having prayer meetings at my place every Monday. So that fast did not necessarily bring about tangible financial breakthrough or tangible financial change or income here and there, but it really defined my life. It actually anchored my life. So what I'm saying is this. The spiritual practices that we do might not really get us what we think we need, so you become despondent, you become discouraged because I fasted and nothing happened. But here's the thing. Any spiritual discipline, whether it is fasting, whether it is praying, whether it is giving, whether it is living a righteous life, it changes you first before it changes your circumstances. My name is still Tobile. Oh, by the way, do like, do share, and do me a favor, please comment. Share with us your experiences of fasting. I'll see you next time.